Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a group detecting system. Now a group detecting system will detect it will pretty much detect if a player is in a group or not, and I'll do some bonus stuff like getting ranks in groups or getting roles in groups. So let's just get started. So let's make a script in script service, and we can do local ID equals this, and this is my group ID. And we can do game.players.player. Okay, game.players.player added connect function, and then okay. So we do player, and we can do if player is in group. Okay, then so this will we can just do ID. So this will make it towards. It will continue this if statement if the player is in the group. So we can do else print player.name dot we can just do this is not in the group. So this keyboard kind of sucks. So anyways, so we can do let's do local role equals player get role in group. So we can do ID, then we can do local rank. Okay, we can do rank equals player get rank in group, and then we can do ID, and then we can do print player.name is in the group with as, and then we can do role, and then we can do and the rank is, and then we can do rank. So what this will do, so what a role is, it's pretty much your role in your group. Usually it's like members, owners, admins, stuff like that in the group, and rank is pretty much the rank of the group. So owner is 255, and you can change it, like members usually like 1, and then you can do 2 and then 5, stuff like that. So yeah, if we would test that now, it should look like this. Let's test it. It says I'm in the group as owner with a rank of 255, and the owner rank is always 255. And yeah, so now we know how this works. So yeah, you might not really know how rank works, but I think you should go with role then rank. But if you want to use rank, then that's fine. And yeah, if we were not in the group, it would print I'm not in the group. And it says I am not in the group. So now we have it working, and if we can make it towards if they're in a group, you can use this stuff to make it towards you can make them be able to do special things. You can use this as stuff like daily rewards, access certain areas only groups or ranks can or access. So that's pretty much how you can detect. That's pretty much how you can detect stuff. How you can detect people in groups or detect a role or rank. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope this helped you a bit. And yeah, see you guys again soon. See you later. Bye.